Did you ever wonder why 95% of traders fail to make consistent profits? Picture this. Your super trend indicator is screaming buy.
Buy, buy, buy!
But wait, you have to check if the price is above the critical 200 EMA. Oh, and don't forget the MACD histogram. It has to be green before you can even think about entering a trade. So there you are, frantically clicking between indicators, analysing candle after candle, and burning hours of your precious time on manual analysis that should take seconds. But what if I told you there's a secret weapon that eliminates this nightmare forever? What if one single indicator could do all of that cross-checking for you and only give you a signal when everything perfectly aligns? This is the edge that separates professional traders from the struggling 95%. This incredible tool is called the DIY Custom Strategy Builder, and it's about to completely revolutionise how you see the markets. This isn't just another indicator, it's your personal trading powerhouse. It bundles multiple confirmations like the super trend, EMA and MACD, then automatically delivers hyper clear buy and sell signals the moment all your rules are met. These signals are awesome. And the best part? This mind-blowing system works across every market imaginable. Stocks, futures, forex, crypto, you name it. We're about to deep dive into exactly what makes this tool so powerful and how you can harness its potential. If this video saves you from even one bad trade, do me a favour and give that like button a whack. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView, which is the platform I'm using. If you don't have an account, I've put a link down in the description. When you're in, load up any market and time frame that you're interested in. This system works superbly whether you're scalping on the 5-minute, swing trading the 15-minute and 1 hour, or position trading on the 4-hour charts. Now, click the indicators button at the top and type in DIY Custom Strategy Builder. You are specifically looking for the one created by Payab, aka ZP. Click to add it and prepare to witness something rather incredible. This isn't just a basic tool. We're talking about more than 40 top-class indicators packed into one streamlined powerhouse system. The best part is how it lets you mix and match these indicators just like strategy building blocks. It takes all the manual work from our super trend, 200 EMA and MACD example and transforms your cluttered screen into a clean, organised trading command centre. When you see the indicator in action, the first thing you'll notice are the clean buy and sell signals right on your chart. These are the core output, telling you the exact moment your specific combination of rules has been perfectly met. This is where the magic happens. But here's where it gets even more exciting. The settings even let you plot useful visual aids like supply and demand zones, and you can even add trading session times. This gives you that extra layer of market context that truly separates successful traders from the losing crowd. Now, watch closely because this next feature is brilliant. The automatic candle colouring system will blow your mind. You'll see vibrant green candles when bullish momentum is strong, bold red candles when bearish pressure is dominating, and neutral grey candles when the market is consolidating or accumulating. This is extremely powerful because a buy signal on a green candle obviously carries far more weight than one on a red candle, and the same logic applies in reverse for sells.
Loser!
Here's a pro tip for you. Go into your main TradingView chart settings and hide the standard candle bodies and wicks. This makes the indicator's coloured bars much clearer. You'll also see a nice dashboard table in the bottom corner of the screen, which displays every indicator in your current strategy. It uses check marks or crosses to show if each component is aligned on the current candle. It really is like having a professional trader's checklist right at your fingertips. Let's stick with the awesome super trend, 200 EMA and MACD example strategy to show you how this works. In the strategy builder section, first you need to select your leading indicator. For our strategy, we'll choose super trend from the drop down menu because it's a beast for good signals out of the box. This is our primary signal generator. Next, we select our confirmation indicators. We need the MACD and EMA in operation together for this. So we find the EMA option, enable it and set the length to 200. Then we go to the MACD option and enable whatever condition we want to be met, like a crossover. We'll stick with standard MACD settings for now, but you can fine tune the parameters for pretty much any indicator in here. Once Supertrend, MACD and EMA are set up, our strategy is now programmed and ready to hunt for opportunities. You have a massive library of over 40 professional grade indicators to choose from. We're talking heavy hitters like Ichimoku, ADX, RSI, stochastics, BX Trender, range filters and many more. The combinations you can create are pretty much unlimited, which means you can create a strategy that perfectly matches your trading personality. Now, pay close attention to this crucial setting, signal expiry. By default, it may be set to something like 3 candles. Understanding this setting is very important to tune your strategy. This setting means when your leading indicator, our supertrend, gives a signal, the builder will wait up to 3 more candles for your confirmations, the MACD and EMA, to align. If they don't all synchronize within that window, then no signal is printed. This intelligent filter helps eliminate weak or delayed setups. For more precise entries, you can reduce this to 1 or 2 candles, demanding everything align at the exact same time. Lastly, there's the switchboard section. This operates separately from your strategy logic, but controls what you actually see. Here you can toggle plots for up to 14 different tools, like your 200 EMA line, those supply and demand zones, parabolic SAR dots, and lots more. All of this without messing up your chart with dozens of indicators. So, how do you actually trade our configured Supertrend, 200 EMA and MACD setup? Your job is now very simple. Just watch for the signals to print. When a buy signal appears, it means that when that candle closed, 3 critical events happened at once. The Supertrend signaled bullish, the price closed above our 200 EMA, the MACD met the strategy's bullish condition requirement. This means that all systems are go and it's all automatic. Here's where the extra visual cues become your secret weapon. As a pro, you should always look at the candle colours. For a buy, you want to see that vibrant green, confirming the upward momentum. Also, use the context from the supply and demand zones. Ask yourself, is this signal happening near a demand zone where big buyers might step in? This extra confirmation can significantly increase your confidence in the trade. Once you enter, use this proven approach. Put your stop loss just below the recent swing low. For your take profit, aim for at least 1.5 times your risk, and consider moving your stop loss to break even once the price moves 1R in your favour. This protects your capital while letting your winners run. Don't exit early. The best professional traders have an innate ability to let winners play out. For bearish setups, you'll patiently wait for that sell signal. When it appears, look for the bold red candle colour, showing you that sellers are in control. Also, is the signal occurring near a supply zone where institutions might be selling? That context adds tremendous value. For trade management, place your stop loss just above the recent swing high and target that same 1.5R or more. Remember, this super trend EMA and MACD combo is just one example using this monster of an indicator. You could build a faster paced day trading strategy using BX Trender with range filters and Watt-hour explosion. The fundamental process remains beautifully consistent. Just configure your strategy, wait for the signal, check the market context, and manage the trade like a professional. If you found some value in this breakdown, remember to leave a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. In the meantime, keep chasing the edge.